Welcome back. Two adjoining houses at Duler, Mapusa gutted in fire on Friday. The exact reason of the fire is not yet known. Owner claims a loss over 15 lakhs. Fire officials reached at the site and controlled the fire. Fire officials informed that cash and gold has been gutted in fire. 7 LPG cylinders were also found in the house.
Reach at this call spot. At the call spot, we found at least 3 or 4 rooms were on fire, totally engulfed in fire, and there was 7 LPG cylinders. The cash got damaged. Some of the cash we have returned to the party. The gold has got destroyed in the fire. The beams, columns, rafters, tiles, and all.
ऑलमोस्ट त्यांचे सगळे फर्निचर वयले मद्यार बिद्यार सगळे पिड्यार जाला आलमारी पिड्यार जाला सगळे आलमारी सगळे जळोन गेले बेड तेंचे जळोन गेला डॉक्युमेंट आनी खूब कितें तेंचे घराचें सामान आसलें तें सगळें जळोन काबार जाला.
The ICC Cricket World Cup is officially underway after colourful opening ceremonies in Christchurch, New Zealand and Melbourne, Australia. The real action will begin in the early hours of Saturday when the Kiwis take on Sri Lanka. Australia will meet traditional rivals England in their opening match in Melbourne on the same day. The biggest match for Indians will be their opening clash with Pakistan on Sunday in Adelaide, Australia. Here are some of the glimpses of this opening ceremony.
We are delighted to welcome all our guests, the teams, the match officials and supporters to the ICC Cricket World Cup 2015. On behalf of the International Cricket Council, it is my privilege to unveil the ICC Cricket World Cup trophy, a symbol of the ICC's values of excellence, integrity and inclusion.
This evening awaiting their first
there
match.
it is, that's the trophy that they're playing for. What an achievement that is. There's their captain, Mohamed Nabi. They'll play Australia at the Wacker, March the 4th. They'll play England at the Sydney. Owen Morgan, can he do something that no other English captain has done? England made in 3 and wasn't able to pull it off. MS Dhoni, he's done it. What a performance. India at home under extreme pressure on one of the great nights in Mumbai.
Sea of gold for the Australian Games.
Well, Clark and his fellow men dream of holding that trophy.
Marine next month at Albert Park. And of course we have the race that stops a nation, the Melbourne Cup increasingly. It is captivating the rest of the racing world as well.
Applause here.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.